Hello everyone, welcome to another brand new video. And in this video, I will show you how to remove an image background quickly. So let's open our Photoshop software. And as you can see, I have an image opened here. So what can I do to remove its background? Well, it's really simple. First, as you can see, here's a padlock icon on the layer. Click on it to remove that. And then if you notice that your image is a smart object like this, make sure to convert it to a rasterized layer. And now when we have this simple image, scroll down here under properties and you will see remove background under quick actions. Click on that and the background will be removed. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment below and we'll be more than happy to answer it for you. And if you want to see us more on your For You page, subscribe to our channel.